Hello, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to Healthy Vives. Today, we're diving into the world of Ash Gourd juice, a hidden gem in the world of natural health remedies. If you're looking for a superfood that's simple, effective, and offers a range of benefits, you're in the right place. Let's explore why this humble vegetable deserves a spot in your daily routine. Number 1. Introducing Ash Gourd. Ash Gourd, also known as winter melon or white pumpkin, is a vegetable widely used in traditional Indian and Chinese medicine. Its mild flavor and high water content make it a fantastic base for juice. But don't let its simplicity fool you, this vegetable is packed with nutrients. It's low in calories and high in fiber, making it perfect for those focused on health and wellness. Number 2. Detoxify your body. One of the most significant benefits of Ash Gourd juice is its detoxifying properties. The high water content helps flush out toxins from your body, leaving you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Additionally, its cooling effect helps combat acidity and heat, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated during summer. Number 3. Promotes digestive health. If you often struggle with indigestion, bloating, or constipation, Ash Gourd juice might be your new best friend. Its natural fiber content aids digestion and keeps your gut healthy. Moreover, it has mild laxative properties that can help regulate your bowel movements. Number 4. Boosts immunity. Did you know that Ash Gourd juice can strengthen your immune system? It's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which are essential for fighting off infections. Regular consumption can help reduce the frequency of colds and other common illnesses, making it a natural way to keep your immune system in top shape. Number 5. Aids weight loss. For those on a weight loss journey, Ash Gourd juice is a fantastic addition to your diet. Being low in calories and high in water content, it helps keep you full without adding extra pounds. The natural fiber in the juice promotes satiety, reducing the likelihood of unhealthy snacking. Number 6. Enhances mental clarity. This might surprise you, but Ash Gourd juice is also great for your brain. It has calming properties that can help reduce anxiety and stress. Many practitioners of Ayurveda recommend it to enhance focus and mental clarity. Start your day with a glass of Ash Gourd juice to experience a sense of calm and improved productivity. Number 7. Supports kidney health. Ash Gourd juice is a natural diuretic, meaning it helps promote urination. This property can support kidney function by flushing out excess salts and toxins. Regular consumption may also help prevent kidney stones. Number 8. Natural coolant. Living in a hot climate or dealing with frequent heat-related discomforts? Ash Gourd juice acts as a natural coolant. It reduces body heat and helps maintain a balanced body temperature, keeping you cool and refreshed. Number 9. How to prepare Ash Gourd juice. Making Ash Gourd juice is incredibly simple. Here's how. 1. Take a fresh Ash Gourd, peel the skin, and remove the seeds. 2. Cut it into small cubes and blend them with a bit of water. 3. Strain the juice to remove any pulp. 4. For added taste, you can mix in a few drops of lemon juice, a pinch of rock salt, or a bit of honey. Number 10. Safety and precautions. While Ash Gourd juice is generally safe, there are a few things to keep in mind. Always ensure the Ash Gourd is fresh. If you're pregnant, nursing, or have underlying health conditions, consult your doctor before adding it to your routine. And there you have it, the incredible health benefits of Ash Gourd juice. From detoxifying your body to enhancing mental clarity, this simple drink has so much to offer. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and natural remedies. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Stay healthy and take care.